Hello everybody, this is Jeff, the Hawaiian Volcanic. Hey gang, welcome back to the channel. So in my last video, I went ahead and replaced the coolant temp sensor, and after wrapping up that video, kind of sat around and was like, well, I've already got, half the work done, and I still got everything pretty much open. Why don't I just go ahead and just change out the thermostat too? I didn't even think about doing a twofer. Okay, so this is what we got to work with. Got the thermostat from Napa Auto Parts, and that is the part number there. Again, for model year 2014 and 15, Silverado 1500. Now this one is comes complete. It's a complete assembly. It does have the housing and the thermostat already built in. So it's just a matter of just pulling out the old one, just sticking this one back in. So just like the last installation, the installation of the coolant temp sensor, I'm gonna have to drain the hose, the top hose of coolant. So we won't make a huge mess, but in the last video made a mess anyway. So just make sure you got a bucket or a pan or something to catch that coolant, because it's going to get messy. With that said, let's start volcanicking. Well, gang, there you have it. That's another project in the books. In this video, I replaced the thermostat housing in my Silverado. This is kind of like a part two of a project I did earlier when I replaced my coolant temp sensor. And after getting that done, I was thinking like, well, hell, why don't I just do both and just be done with it, you know? So here we are, you know, in this video, doing just that. So if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll have a list of the items that I used in this video. And I appreciate you guys checking out the channel. Don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. I got a few more things coming up, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. This is your Hawaiian Mechanic. Aloha.